This is the Woodford 30109 packing nut. Now, this packing nut is used in several different Woodford wall hydrants, including the 21, 24, 26, 27, and 40. There are many others, that's just a few examples. A couple things about the packing nut. Outside, you've got a set of external or male threads, and that comes up to that hex shaped head right near the body of the breaker, or the packing nut, my apologies. And we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the packing nut, starting with a total length. It's going to be right at just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And then outer diameter here at the bottom side, we're right at 7/8. And then we'll try to get an outer diameter of the hex head. It's gonna be kind of hard to do. I'm gonna get as close as I possibly can. It looks to be right at 1 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford 30109 chrome packing nut.